don't watch. If you don't want to change, please feel free to scroll through 10 other videos. But if you are part of that 1% who have an open mind and are always ready to learn, adapt, and change, then welcome. This is for small YouTubers who are facing problems with views on a daily basis. After uploading a video, they are not getting the initial boost or not reaching out to the majority of viewers. Either the views have flatlined, or it performed well, and then suddenly drops, resulting in no views. Despite putting in a good level of editing and the time and energy you put into those videos, the number of views received is significantly low. On the other hand, some random guy who uploads the same type of videos is getting millions of views. Why is it that your video is much better and still not getting enough views, while his videos are reaching millions? Okay? Let's fix this problem. One guy on YouTube made a video claiming that his channel made $22,579 last month, and his views are in the millions. I am going to show you how you can get this too. You may have fallen for those tricks and started watching the entire video. The worst part is that most of you guys believed it, and even started creating similar types of videos. You got a couple of views and got excited, dreaming of becoming famous, buying sports cars, buying a house, and showing off your earnings. But then, suddenly the views dropped. There are no views coming in. You're left with just 5 or 10 views after all those hours and energy spent just to get so few views. Don't be down, my friends. I don't want you to fail, and that's why I am here. The only reason I am here is because of you. Yes, you heard that right. So what's the plan? First of all, the only thing you need is an Android mobile. Second, stop wasting this time. Every second you spend here, you should be making money. That's why you're here. That's what you want. It starts with the basic step, which is research. Don't waste too much time scrolling, and make sure you effectively utilize your time while researching. So for those who don't know about YouTube Summary, it's an online tool where you don't have to watch those clickbait long videos. The fast and time-saving trick is to copy the link from the YouTube video you want to watch and paste it in this link that I have added in the comments section. You can use it from there, paste and go. Now you have the script and the highlights within seconds. What you want to see are the highlights from the video. That's it. Save precious time while researching and getting nowhere. As I said before, time is money, and every minute you spend, make it count. In-depth technical stuff is coming in the next video, where I am going to fry your brain to get your channel up and running. That's what I want, and that's what you want. In the meantime, let me know your channel name and the problems you're facing in the comments. I will help each and every person in my comments section. I will let you know if your channel has potential or not, if it will grow, and if it's a good niche to continue. Please rate my video. Are the thumbnails catchy enough? So, if anyone has the same question, they can look for the answer in the questions asked by others. There's no need to join any classes or pay for those bullshit lessons and tutorials, which will get you nowhere. Everything will be in the comments section of all the videos or other videos covered up. Remember this: never pay for anything. Every single problem will be answered here. Just type in your problem. Also, every single video will have some unique tips and links. Whether you like it or not, I will make sure of it. You will learn something new. Now what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and start asking your questions or sharing the problems you are currently facing.